Hey everybody, this is Billy. A little bit of muggy day today. It's a little bit chilly, but here's what we got going on. We've got a little bit of problem with the roof and it's sagging on one side. I ain't too sure exactly what's going on, but we fix to get that and get that handled and get that straightened out. It shouldn't be too big of a problem. This is all gonna be bathroom right here.
So we're gonna remove these two windows because we're fixing to build out another room out that way. So you can see where the roof was to begin with. This is how much higher we're lifting the roof. They're standing up the wall between the bedroom and the bathroom.
This is a ground rod, and every house has one. Here we are on the inside trying to figure out what's going on. We sealed that in between the two cabinets just to make sure we didn't have no drafts or anything like that, so that's good. Then we're just gonna figure out where we at and where we're going. And this is the part of the roof that's sagging on the outside, and it may be because we got it too high in the middle. If we brought that down, it would raise up the outside, so we'll see what that is. And I got some hurricane clips, and hurricane clips go up on the top up there, and that's a hurricane clip right there. A lot of people down in like Florida and stuff like that put it on there for keep their roof from going up. That's how it fits, is like that right there. So you can nail it on this side and nail it on that side, and it'll hold the roof down. And we're gonna put these up at the rafters, up on top, up there. So, and you can still sheetrock over them and everything, so you don't never know they're there. But that's what they are. Okay, we went ahead and lifted up about 1, 2, 3, 4 of these over here.
Yeah.
And we're fixing to lower that one right there. It's getting a little high. And there's like 3 or 4 down here that we need to raise. We're raising the rafters to get that roof line straight. Is what we're trying to get after. The top of it's straight. I don't know how it kind of messed up a little bit, but it is.
Oh, we adding some hurricane straps on the roof to make sure that all the rafters are secure and they stay in place.
We're almost there, on this side anyway. We still got to raise that side up, but he's gonna raise this side up maybe just a little more, maybe a ½ inch or so, and it'll be looking good. We're on the right track.
Okay, Billy had to go to work, and here's what we're doing. Okay, you should be able to see how that roof is slanting down on your left. Right now we are working on this section, and then we're going to come all the way down to this end like we did on the other side. Okay, so now we have to straighten up a little bit along the roof line, but we've gotten it raised up pretty good, but there are some spots that we're going to hit. Right now they're fixing to work on this area here to get it lifted.
We were back out here this morning working on a cabin, and right now they're putting in the little loft, a storage area on top, and the bottom's going to be the shower. And they're going to do the same thing on this other side.
We still have the window boarded up because it was raining. We had a couple of different storms come through. So that's still boarded up. I think that's going to give us some pretty good storage space up there. Okay, so they're getting the other side up now.
This is Billy. We're back out here this morning, and I was going to tell you a few things that we had issues with, and one of them was the roof. We almost got it finished, but we just got just a little bit more, and they got to raise up one end so it'd be level all the way across. And we went ahead and put the tin on because it was going to rain, and we got like 2 inches of rain, so it's a good thing that we did get the tin on. They're raising that corner up, then I think we'll be all right. We raise that corner up to where we could see the roof line all level across, and then we can float the rest of it in. And that's what they're doing now. They're up there now putting a string on it, see if we can get it straight. And we're going to put a string level on it too. But this will tell us in between each rafter if it's down or if it's high or whatever we need to do. So that's what they're doing now. Okay, on the outside, they kind of reinforced it where the sheeting matches the 2x4. Some of them just didn't line right. So they put another 2x4 on the inside and getting that nailed down real good. Which that'll give us extra bracing too, so that's good. And you can see from one end to the other, there's a little bit of dip on the inside. So they're gonna fix that right quick. And it's about the same on the other side, so it's all looking good.
We're getting it there.
We're getting it there.
So we got the back straightened out and we're heading to the front. And we got the front straight. Now we are back inside. I'm so happy we got that done. So now what they're doing is they are bracing the roof from the inside and putting in the hurricane clamps. Okay, we are now working on the other side. Almost have it braced in with the hurricane straps. And moving along. One of the reasons we wanted to show you what was going on with the roof was to point out that things don't always go right. So don't get discouraged because everything is fixable. We got this fixed and we are excited to move forward. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It helps our channel and we want to share more videos with y'all. And drop us a comment below if you have any suggestions on what we could do different or what we ought to add or, you know, just your opinion. And we hope y'all have an awesome day today. And we will catch y'all next week with a new video. We're going completely off-grid with this cabin, so we are eventually going to be adding solar panels and digging a well. And I'm excited to get in there and start decorating. So I hope you'll go along with us with this journey, and we'll catch you next week.